In this video, I show you how to make a $2,000 listen to music, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. First of all, this is the website that we will use and we can earn money just by listening to music. This website is very popular and many people are already familiar with it. It is very simple and easy to use, and as you can see, in just 4 simple steps, you can start earning in less than 5 minutes from setting up your new account. And here you can see this wonderful feature that they have on this website that you will surely love. They are highly compatible. They offer the best advertising, the ability to style accurate statistics to the radio, a simple system to exchange points, and the possibility of cashing out at any time. This service is completely free and you can do it from anywhere in the world. With that said, I would like you to comment below and let me know which country you are watching this video from. You can also choose to get paid via bank transfer, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, and of course PayPal. Right here you can see live statistics of all current listeners from around the world. This website already pays this amount to its users worldwide, so it has hundreds of users from all over the world who are currently listening to music and making money. You can zoom in out here to see how many people are currently earning. You must click this button to sign up for a free account, and this will take you to this page. Just fill in your username, first name and last name, and email address, password, then complete the CAPTCHA code and immediately click on registration. Log in now and view your dashboard. As soon as you enter the dashboard, go here where it says start earning and select listen to the radio. You can choose one of these 3 radio stations here and you will be paid after every few minutes of listening. Can be points are added directly to your account, and you can and later convert them into real cash. But before you can start earning with this method, click on setting here and make sure you have complete your payment information on this page. Simply enter your PayPal email address or whatever payment method you want to use. Click this button here to start listening and earning now. After clicking on the radio station, another tab will open. Simply click the play button here and the music will start playing immediately. The best thing about this method is that you can just let it play in the background after the required number of minutes. You can go to another section, and that's all you have to do on this platform called radioearn.com. It is very simple to use. Try it now and start earning today. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.